What's up? It's Stacey, and this is Serve It, another home edition. I decided to whip up a classic seaside treat, lobster rolls. It's super easy and super delicious. You need a pound of lobster meat, so that would be about 5 whole lobsters. But what I'm using are lobster tails. They're from Greenhead Lobster. They're caught in Maine. They're sweet, they're succulent. Of course, you're gonna need some great lobster rolls. I prefer the top cut New England style hot dog rolls, but you can use any roll of your choice. Gonna need some unsalted butter to do those rolls. Really good quality mayonnaise. Now, we can take a clue from David Venable and definitely do a supermarket shortcut, but we're gonna actually dress that supermarket version up with a little bit of Dijon mustard and some tarragon. And then your add-ins: cucumber instead of celery, and scallions instead of the traditional white onion. So let's get started. Just get a great pair of kitchen shears and just cut a line right down the center of that tail. Peel back the shell, cut it into about 1/2-inch pieces. Oh, quick tip before I forget. While you're cutting up the lobster, take the diced cucumber, put it in a colander for at least 5 minutes to drain any of the excess liquid. So just need a nice medium-sized bowl. And goes your cucumber that we drained. Put in that mayonnaise that we just dressed up a little bit with the tarragon and the Dijon. Grab my spurtle. Give that a nice good mix and gently fold it. Now you're gonna wanna take a little taste of this to see if you wanna add salt and pepper. I'm definitely gonna add black pepper, but I don't think this is gonna need any salt. Perfection. So right when you're ready to eat, you're going to butter your buns and get them nice and toasted. Just make sure your butter is already softened. Once the pan is hot, about 2 minutes per side, because you're gonna do the butter side down, and then you're gonna flip them, and you're gonna do the other side for an additional 2 minutes. Now the buns are ready, so all we're gonna do is stuff them with our lobster salad that we chilled. And right before we serve it, I like to throw in the scallions. So again, that flavor does not overpower the sweet lobster meat. Get it nice and loaded up. Serve it with some chips and a pickle. Perfect summertime treat. The girl's going in. Beautiful. Where's my rosé? Serve it with rosé. To shop everything in the show, just go to qvc.com and search Serve It. And don't forget, hit subscribe right below.